Welcome everyone. Let's see the next question in PYQ series. So this question is asked in UPSC CSAT 2024 and the topic was number system. So the question says how many consecutive zeros are there at the end of the integer obtained in the product. What is the product? The product given is 1 square multiplied by 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 4 to the power 8 multiplied by 25 to the power 50. So the options are 50, 55, 100 and 200. So if I am discussing the smartest approach for the question, then if you are familiar with this concept, then clearly if you are reading the question, that means you are also solving the question. So whenever you will see 25 to the power 50, you should get the answer 200 in a second or maybe in a 2 seconds. So let's discuss this. So how I am able to get this, let's see this. So I'll share the solution with you. So okay, let's check the solution. So how I'm able to find out? So we know that if you want to find out the consecutive zeros, so actually we have to check 2 into 5 multiples, right? Then it will become a 0, right? So what I'm doing is, the number of 5s are less, so I'll count the number of 5s, then they will be equal to number of consecutive zeros in this product, right? So if I have to count number of zeros, that means I have to count number of 5s. So where I can get number of 5s? So that means I can get number of 5 in 5 to the power 10, in 10 to the power 20, in 15 to the power 20, 30, also 20 to the power 40, also 25 to the power 50, right? So number of zeros will be over here, or I should say number of 5s will be over here. Why I have written 5 to the power 10, 10 to the power 20? Because I can see the powers are getting doubled every time. So if I'm writing 5 over here, that means the power will be double, 10. So if I have to solve now to count the number of zeros, so I have to count the number of power. So it is nothing but 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, right? In 25 you will get 2 5s, right? What I'm trying to say is, you can write 5 into 5 to the power 50, which is nothing but 5 to the power 50 multiply 5 to the power 50. That means you are getting 250, right? Which is nothing but 100. So if you count all, it will become 200. It will be the answer. So how I am able to answer the quickest, like when I see 25 to the power 50, then I directly mark 200. Why? Because I know if there is 25 to the power 50, that means minimum number of 0 will be 100. And definitely in this other expression also there will be 5s. That means the number of 0 will be more than 100. So the answer will be 200, because this is the only option given in the question, which we have proved that like 25 to the power 50 is nothing but 100 zeros at the last of the product of the expression. So this is just a simple solution. You would have done it like in smartest approach, like in a second, because whenever you see 25 to the power 50, that means there are 2 5s, which will be equal to approximately 100 zeros. That means the zeros in this expression will be more than 100, and there is only one option which says one more than 100, which is 200, and it will be the answer. So just a solution for the people who don't get it. So thank you so much. This is the video, and I haven't made the video in Sunday. Also, this is the video in continuation series that we are going on, PYQ series in CSAT. Thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.